Hello everyone, we are going to learn about profit and loss. Selling price, the price you sold it. You bought a pencil for rupees 5 and you sold it to your friend for rupees 8. Here the price you sold the pencil for rupees 8 is selling price. Cost price, the price you bought it. Example, you bought a pencil for rupees 5 and you sold it to your friend for rupees 8. Here the price you bought the pencil for rupees 5 is cost price. Profit, selling price minus cost price. Here selling price is always greater than cost price. Example, cost price is rupees 50 and selling price is rupees 70. Then profit is rupees 20. The loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Here, cost price is always greater than selling price. Example, cost price is rupees 70 and selling price is rupees 50. Then loss is rupees 20. Cost price equal to selling price minus profit. This formula is used when you know selling price, you know profit in rupees and you want to find the cost price. Example, now selling price is rupees 80 and profit is rupees 20. Cost price equal to rupees 60. Next, cost price equal to selling price plus loss. This formula is used when you know the selling price and you know the loss in rupees and you want to find the cost price. Example, you sold an item for rupees 70 and your loss is 10, then cost price is rupees 80. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. This formula is used when we know the profit amount, the cost price and you want to find the profit percentage. Example, cost price is rupees 50, profit is rupees 20, then profit percentage is 40. Next, loss percentage equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. This formula is used when we know the loss amount, the cost price and you want to find the loss percentage. Example, cost price is rupees 80, loss is rupees 20, then loss percentage is 25. Profit equal to profit percentage into cost price divided by 100. How to find a profit when profit percentage is given? Example, you buy a toy for rupees 200 and you earn 20% profit on it, find profit. Here profit is rupees 40. Next, loss percentage equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. How to find loss when loss percentage is given? Example, cost price is rupees 300, loss percentage equal to 10% and find loss. Here the loss is rupees 30.